I just have touched upon what do you mean by values, right? So when I was discussing in previous session, I told you already that value is nothing but something on which you believe, right? Values are nothing but your belief systems. Values are nothing but the way you express yourself in the society, right? The values are nothing but the moral you practices, right? Values are your moral understandings which you practices in your daily behavior. So we can understand what are the human values. First of all, we will understand values in two dimensions, right? Values have at least two dimensions. I say there are so many dimensions for the values, but you have to understand two core classification, two core groups, two core dimensions of value, right? Values, values in terms of uh, the personality, values in terms of human beings, values in terms of individual personality, individual human behavior we can call, right? So values has two aspects. One is related to the individual, one is related to the individual. What are my values? I was punctual enough to come 2 minutes before for this particular session, right? That is one of the my value which I practices, right? I am punctual enough to come before 2 minutes for this particular session. ये मेरा एक value है. Punctuality can be one of the values. I am well groomed, well dressed. I am sitting here without keeping beards and all. So I am a professional person, right? So professionalism can be one another value for me. So honesty, integrity. For example, I am integrate enough to come and conduct lectures on given schedule as per my timetable and everything, right? So some of the students would not be that much integrated to their own selves that they don't understand their own losses and benefits, right? So you should be integrate enough, honest enough with yourself that are you really giving justice? Are you really giving justice to the money that your parents are investing on you for this particular course, right? So that can be a kind of value. So those who are here, they are doing it, they need not to worry about that, right? I am talking about uh, the individual's behavior. So jo yahan hai, it means they are integrated enough for themselves, they are honest enough for themselves. So we all need not to worry. So we are behaving whatever is expected, we are behaving as per the guidelines, right? So we are integrated enough to our duties, to our responsibilities, right? So values are of two aspects which we need to understand at large. One is the individual human values, individual values which we believe. Another is the business values, right? Another is the business values. When you talk about individual human values, you have this 10 points mentioned on your screen, right? Passion. I am passionate enough. I am passionate enough for conducting lectures. You are passionate enough to become a manager of your particular specialization. So you all are here, right? So the passionate behavior can be one of the value. So integrity, honesty, punctuality, optimism, positivity, passion, loyalty, efficiency, effectiveness, reliability, commitment. These are all the human values. So as humans have some values, try to understand what I am telling. ये चीज अगर समझ गए तो आगे का पूरा 10-15 स्लाइड समझ जाओगे, right? Values are of two types. Do not mix these two types. We as a manager have to understand both the values because we are going to deal with the people. So we need human values at large, right? We are going to deal with the people, so we need human values at large. We also are going to manage the business activities, so we have to understand the business values also, corporate values also, organizational values also, cultural values also, right? So values has two dimensions. One is human values, another is corporate value, which is business value, right? So when you talk about human values, these are the things. When we talk about the corporate values, we will discuss in the due course of time. मैं अभी जैसे जैसे आगे चलते बता दूंगा आपको. So let's understand values first, right? What do you mean by value? So value is something like values are basic fundamental beliefs that guides or motivate attitudes or actions, right? Which guides human beings, which motivates them to do particular activity, which motivates them, which provokes them to take actions, right? Which provokes them to take action. For example, you are kind enough. Kindness is also a value. You are kind enough and you are going by the way. Kindness you have learned from where? From your culture, from your parents, from your own understanding, knowledge, right? So kindness is the one value which you are practicing. Let's suppose you are walking by the on roads and you found that some animals, some animal, like let's take an example of dog, is trapped somewhere in some like in any tough situation. So what do? We generally try to try to help them, right? So kindness, if you are really believing on kindness, you will prove it through your actions, right? So values is something. Values is a belief system of individual which results in its action. So we have to understand human values first. So the human values help us to determine what is important to us, right? We determine according to that. So that all depends on the passion, skillfulness, interest, integrity, honesty. It determines what is good for us, right? So for example, people those who are not behaving ethical, like as per the social rules, like for them also their values are like, values can be positive, negative. For the one who is drinking every day and sleeping on the roads or destroying entire wealth behind the drinks and all, so for them also their values are important. What are their values? They want to just chill, right? They want to be relaxed and they want to like destroy everything, so that they are doing all those things. So you can believe on negative values also, not necessarily everything would be very positive always, right? So the values which results in your actions can be negative or positive, and values are there for every human being, right? So the value describe the personal qualities we choose, and you just keep reading on the screens because I'm not going to explain every point. If you have any query, doubt, you just raise your hand and I will address that particular point, right? It's a sort of person we want to be, right? We believe on what we want to be. We believe on what we want to be. Some of the individuals wants to be a like very top notch corporate leader, and some wants to be a devdas kind of individual because of some experiences, bad experiences, and some constraints on their personal life, right? So what we believe we become. That is already said by philosophers, that what we believe we become. So values is something we believe. If we believe something, we will become like that. So what is important for all of us? To understand our values, to decide and derive the kind of values we are going to practice. तो हमको पहले खुद को ये समझना है कि हम क्या है, हमको क्या बनना है, and we have to practice those values. If we practice those values, we will definitely action according to that, and our actions will prove our results, right? It will result in our outcome. And if we get a desired outcome, if we get a outcome which is being praised by the management, by society, then we will definitely be a good human being. So values is like what you want to become, you believe on that. So we have to work on our belief system first. We have to decide which values we are going to practice, right? So they provide the general guidance for conduct that we all know, as values provides us the guidelines, morals, motivations, as we are saying above in first point, that it guides, motivates, and it decides your attitude and actions, right? So it's the general guidelines which individual believes and practices, and the manner in which we treat ourselves and others and our interactions with the world around us, right? With the world around us, that is called as the values. For example, whenever you meet to anyone, like you judge that person, like saying that he was a kind enough person, he was a very arrogant person, he was a very polite person, he was a very generous person, like, so it decides what kind of treatment you are giving to yourselves and your social groups, right? So based on the values, your identity gets designed, your identity gets created. So what do we need to focus is a human value at large. सबसे ज्यादा important क्या है? Human values. Understood? What do you mean by values, and why values are important, and what are the kinds of values? Understood these 2-3 points? First
So,
important thing is like human values are of two types. Basic two types, which means we need to understand these two dimension of values. Values can be like multiple dimensions could be there for the value. The word value can talk to you about your beliefs. It can to talk to you about the value of product. It can talk to you about values of particular organization. It can, like, what are the values of ISISI? You all know the organization, right? What are their values? Their values are like to establish particular religion in on entire country and all. That is known to everyone. So that is their organizational value. They have established an organization and they have created a value for organization, right? I'm giving you bit controversial example, but don't get into that. Just get into the meaning, right? I am just telling you to understand. For example, like every organization has their own values. So that's what I wanted to communicate only. So the values can be of individuals values can be of organizational values. So individual values में क्या आता है? These are the things which are like individual value. And always remember, your all individual values are going to be reflected in your are going to be reflected in your own professional life. So जब आप कंपनी में जाओगे तो आपका बिलीफ सिस्टम जो है वही उधर रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाएगा, राइट? द मोस्ट कैजुअल पर्सन going into organization will like be working as per his comfort, not following rules and regulations. He won't want to be, he or she won't want to be in the frame of given time frame and all. So they will be facing difficulties into their work culture and work life, right? So that is going to reflect in your corporate life. So you have to understand individual values affects your corporate culture, right? There is a relation between individual values and corporate culture. So this is what about values. And if we see, we have to understand, we are talking about Indian ethos and Indian values, right? So when we talk about Indian ethos and Indian values, nowadays you all know that world has become a single like entity. We can call world is very small. It's computer, this particular Windows, right? We all know that Windows, what does it mean? Windows is like computer system, Windows, right? We all know world has become a single window now. We can get anywhere anytime by various means, right? दुनिया में ऐसा कोई जगह नहीं है जहाँ पे आप जा नहीं सकते हो जिसको आपको एक्सेस नहीं है. On your fingertips you get access to anything. You can talk to anyone in the any corner of world. So what is important, we all have to understand what are the belief systems of different groups, different countries, different kind of people on the planet, right? Abhi like entire planet has become a single home for all of us to be accessed, right? So like Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam is now coming in the fact, right? Is now coming in the fact and it's becoming reality. Pura entire world is your home now, right? That is what Indian people believe. Am I audible to you all?